your sofa and you know, run wash your hands. You can buckle up.
Nasa atin na. There. She's going in the red car over there.
Okay, buckle your seat.
Up there.
Okay, so there's a few reminders. Safety first. Do not
Maya.
no cutting your teeth. Okay, if you want to be
Ate. Say hi, please.
okay?
Maya.
If you're stuck or you need any help, just raise your hand.
Yung bag ko nandiyan na lang.
Okay? If you need any help, just raise up your hand. We'll go up.
Yun na lang gusto pala.
Me and
Hindi, maganda nga yun.
Yung expect ko sa sasakyan.
Kaya,
Pero excited na kita. Gusto mo lang.
at saka matututo.
Okay, later when I say your hand is up, you need to pat your kaabas yung
Pero my God, the orientation parang Titanic sa
Ang laki ng batang yun.
Okay, really, really high so I can see your face.
Naka-red.
Okay? So in my count, 3, 2, and 1. Step on the middle. Go, go, go.
Ayun.
Oh, be careful. Do not promise your friends. Do not promise your friends. Be careful.
Basti! Huli ko! Ay. Boo!
Talking to your friends.
Alam mo na gagawin sa kotse natin.
Dapat tikitan niya mga
Hindi, wala magamit. May road rage na yun.
Here, remember do not
Yes,
promise
ate.
your friends. Do not
She's in the red car.
your friends using the car.
That's right, ate. Yes, she's riding. She's riding.
If moving,
Stopping at the
do
entrance.
not raise any hand. Keep
Sino
the
pa naman the signage? It's not universal.
Diba?
Sabi ni
I know.
Very envy.
sa stop pa siya.
You can see the
Tagal.
white arrow.
Gusto kumagin pa pala magtanong siya.
There's a white arrow on your left lane. You can follow the white
The
arrow
yellow
on the
taxi.
lane on the left lane.
There, nasa, yeah.
Kasama ni Maya. Kasama sila.
Okay.
Hindi ba yan ang anak natin? Anak pula.
Yeah.
Patay, naligaw na.
There's our family girl.
Like it?
I can see that you follow the traffic
Galing na iba.
light. Just keep moving.
Wawa naman yung naka.
Mami, awa ko lang. Ay, ganyan lang. Huwag lang pa.
Say hi to Ate Nel. She's coming up.
Hi!
Maya!
Are you a good driver, Basti?
Keep moving. Keep stopping on the green color.
Nag-stop siya kasi it's pedestrian. Yung nagturo kasi.
Tinuro na sa kanya. Very envy.
Sana naman.
If you need any help, just do not get out of the corner.
Daddy, you're so funny.
Oh, inunaan siya ng ano. Kikit-kitan sila. Baka mag-road rage na.
Yung isa.
Saan po kayo? kayo sa Manila?
Yes, sir. 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 Yes
Buti na hindi mainit eh. Grabe.
Ulan.
Yeah. Oo nga eh. Tsaka ang lakas, no? Parang sabihin lakas bigla eh.
Hindi ba wrong way yun? Tama. Tama nga.
Guys, over here, like,
Cute.
Hi, Maya! It's stopping.
May stoplight, may number pala. Kaya pala.
Hindi ka kasi nag-seminar mga.
Keep moving, keep going.
Pumasa naman ako sa driving, hindi ako nagbayad. No, binanggalan mo.
It's not looking.
Did you follow instructions? Follow instructions, follow the arrow.
Berhendi!
I feel left hand right.
Oh,
Oh, so nakakalito sa
Oo nga.
Oo, kasi nga pala sa atin, di ba?
Oo, iba sa akin eh.
Remember, do not run
Real attention.
Ah.
Kaya pala nakakalito. Taxi mo pa yun. No?
Oo.
Berhendi!
Remember, if you need any help, just raise that hand.
Talaga, ito yung pinunta namin eh.
Abis,
Talaga sila eh.
ako na yung toy lang eh. Bukod doon, wala na akong balak lumabas ang init.
When we are not alone today and the show, because the show has a time.
Hindi pa pwede pag small na ganyan. Doon sa kabila sila. Bagay maging police yung isa eh. No?
Kasi walang kaklase. Oo.
Oo, nangunguna.
Keep moving, guys.
Kasi nakakagit-kita niya, iba nasa ibang lugar
Okay,
na.
keep moving, boys and girls. You have 1 minute left.
1 minute lang. Resinda po, kasi
Okay, you have 1 minute left. You can do your last turn.
ang tagal din ng orientation eh. Makakatulog na ako.
Ate is over there. Walang gumagamit ng highway. Ay, hindi naka-isa.
Basti!
Wrong way.
There's ate, she's coming. On your left.
Okay, keep moving. You can do your last turn now. Okay? In my count of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your time is up, everybody. Please put your card in front of your classmate. Prepare for the red button.
Hey, wrong way! Hey, Basti! Wrong way! Ah,
Okay, thank you, everybody. It's okay. You can have a Okay, follow my friends. It's okay. Thank you, Tita.
Ay, sige po. Ingat po.